What information do I need to enter to look up my flight itinerary?
Hello and welcome to this informational video. Today we're going to cover the critical data you need to look up your flight itinerary. Understanding how to find and review your itinerary is essential in planning your travel smoothly.
What is a flight itinerary?
A flight itinerary is a proposed route for your travel. It includes details like your flight number, departure and arrival times, and airports. Airlines or travel agencies usually provide it at the time of booking, but you can also look it up later.
What information do I need?
To look up your flight itinerary, you'll typically need the following: booking confirmation number, also known as a reservation number or a booking ID. This is given to you when you book the flight. It's a unique identifier for your booking. Last name. You'll need the last name of the passenger as it appears on the booking. This is usually case sensitive. Airline. Knowing the airline you're traveling with is important because you'll need to access their specific website or application to look up your itinerary.
How to use this information?
Here's how you can use the information. 1. Navigate to the airline's website or application. 2. Look for a section like Manage My Booking or Find My Trip. 3. Enter the required details, typically your booking confirmation number and last name. 4. Click on the button to continue or view your itinerary. Your flight itinerary should then appear on screen, allowing you to review or make changes if needed. That's it. Now you know the vital details needed to look up your flight itinerary. With this knowledge, you should find it easier to navigate your travels. Remember, it's always important to double-check your itinerary for any errors to ensure smooth sailing or flying. Have a great trip!